So I got another Birchbox. I guess this is maybe February. February came early, I guess. Maybe somebody at Birchbox saw my last video, but this is celebrate. We're celebrating me today. At least that's what it says on my box. So we're gonna open this up, see what's in it. I've used some of the stuff from the other box, and it's pretty good. Glad there was no facial moisturizer in the last box. I don't know about this one. Let's see. Okay. I don't remember what the other one looked like, but this one is brown and... Hold on. That might be better. I don't know. We'll see. I should have turned that light on before. This is brown, and I don't know if that's black or if it's... I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay. We got more stuff. Okay, this is what we got. Anthony, whatever this is. There you go, Anthony. It smells pretty good. I like it when I get cologne samples and they have the squirt thing on top, as opposed to just like the open the tube and you pour the cologne out. It's not my most favorite thing I've gotten, but it's not bad. We got some beard oil that smells like pipe tobacco, I guess. The Mailroom Barber Company. I tried to, like, in my last video, when I edited the video, I tried to, like, when I held up something, to pause it, so you could see the item for a little bit longer, but, movies? I don't know, whatever iOS app I was using, it wouldn't, like, upload the video. It doesn't smell like, it doesn't like, maybe. I mean, I don't smoke pipes, but there you go. Beard product, I like that. And then we have a body cream. It's a body moisturizer. Sealed for my protection. I'm not going to open that one up. That'll probably squirt all over me. Ursa Major Fortifying Face Balm. That sounds like facial moisturizer to me. So I'll have to try that and see. I'm not overly excited about that. And then a small Duke Cannon. That's awesome. I like Duke Cannon products. Big ass brick of soap. Junior. It's a half a ration. And that's not even half of one of their bars of soap. Those things are, I don't know if you've seen the regular Duke Cannon, but they're really big. My kids are outside screaming. Like that. So, Duke Cannon. Oh, here, we're gonna go. I don't know I don't remember what order I went into. So we got this Anthony stuff right there, which, by the way, from Birchbox is $117 for a full container of it. Or I don't know how big it is, but it's kind of a lot. Okay, so you got the Anthony, and then like the Duke Cannon I just showed you. It's a smaller bar, not one of their big ones. Ursa Major Fortifying face moisturizer. Beard oil, I like that. More body moisturizers, whatever. Okay, so that's February. Birchbox. Hey, this shows you how much of the item you're supposed to use. Shampoo, face lotion, cleanser. They forgot to add the beard stuff. Whatever. Okay, that is my February Birchbox done in January, I guess. I used to get these, like, extra, like... They used to send me an extra, like, item. From my last Birchboxes, I used to, like, get, like... Not, like, toiletry type stuff, but, like... lifestyle item. Is that what they call it? I don't know. So I don't know why I'm not getting that this time around. Maybe because I have a discounted, I don't know. Whatever. Birchbox, if you want to send me more stuff, that'd be awesome. But I'm paying for this, so I'm not buying more than I already paid for.